Greetings, happy eaters! This quick tutorial is to help you prepare to stack your tray from your cafeteria lunch at the end of your meal. Jarabeck koalas know the importance of recycling to protect Earth. Our trays are recyclable. There are 2 Love Food Not Waste sorting stations. To prepare your tray for recycling, please whack any wrappers, dressings, or sauces into the gray landfill can. You can do this without splashing by grabbing the corner that is furthest from the sauce, turning it upside down over the landfill can, and slapping it against the side closest to you. When it is time to stack your tray, please make sure that you match the shape so that it will nest inside of the tray beneath it. If everyone carries the tray with the 2 compartments closer to our body, we won't need to rotate them to get them to stack. Here, we see that 50 neatly stacked trays take less space than 20 sloppy trays.
Thank you.